Hello again, everyone. After our last video packed with 7 tips for starting the carnivore diet, I saw all your comments asking for more. So, here we are with a sequel, another 8 fantastic tips to help women navigate the carnivore diet with confidence. Whether you're still considering it or have already begun your journey, these tips are designed to support your dietary choices even further. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out, and let's get into these next-level tips to keep you thriving on your carnivore diet journey. First, we're focusing on how to manage dairy intake if you're considering the carnivore diet. Dairy can be part of this diet, but here are some tips to make it work for you. Choose high-fat dairy. Opt for high-fat dairy products like butter and hard cheeses. These fit better with the high-fat nature of the carnivore diet and may be easier on your digestion. Monitor your body's response. Pay close attention to how your body reacts to dairy. If you notice any digestive discomfort or skin issues, these could be signs that you need to adjust your intake. Adjust according to tolerance. Everyone's body is different. If you find that dairy doesn't agree with you, it might be best to reduce the amount or eliminate it altogether to see if your symptoms improve. Remember, the key is to listen to your body and adjust your diet to suit your needs. Let's keep the journey tailored to your health and comfort. As we dive deeper into the carnivore diet, one crucial tip is to keep your meals straightforward. Let's break down why simplifying your meals can be beneficial and how to do it effectively. Keep meals simple, single-ingredient focus. By using just one main ingredient per meal, such as beef, chicken, or fish, you make it easier for your body to digest the food and for you to prepare it. Ease of preparation. Cooking single-ingredient meals usually requires less time and fewer steps. This simplicity can help reduce stress around meal planning and increase your adherence to the diet. Clear tracking. When you eat simple meals, it's easier to identify which foods work best for your body and which may cause issues, helping you tailor your diet more effectively. Keeping your meals simple doesn't just help with digestion. It makes the whole process of following the carnivore diet more manageable and less time-consuming. Stick with it, and you'll likely see how beneficial this approach can be. Tracking your progress is a key step when starting the carnivore diet, especially for anyone trying to understand how their body reacts to different types of meat and animal products. Here's how you can effectively monitor your dietary journey. Start a food diary. Keep a detailed record of everything you eat each day. Note the types of meat, portion sizes, and how you cook them. Monitor body responses. Pay attention to how your body feels after meals. Do you feel energized or sluggish? Are there any digestive changes? Observe mood changes. Food can impact your mood. Record any changes in your mood or mental clarity to see if there's a pattern related to your diet. Using a food diary not only helps you stay on track, but also allows you to make informed adjustments to your diet based on your own personal experiences and reactions. It's a powerful tool to personalize and optimize your carnivore diet journey. When adopting a diet as unique as the carnivore diet, it's crucial to keep a close eye on your health. Monitoring your body's responses and consulting with healthcare professionals can guide you to a well-balanced approach. Here's how to keep your health in check. Regular health checks. Schedule regular appointments with your healthcare provider to discuss your diet and its effects on your health. Blood tests. Get blood tests done periodically to monitor important markers such as cholesterol, triglycerides, and vitamin levels, which can be impacted by a meat-only diet. Listen to your body. Be alert to any signs your body might give, like changes in energy levels, mood, digestion, or sleep patterns. Staying proactive with these steps ensures that your transition to and maintenance of the carnivore diet is not only effective, but also safe and healthy. Starting the carnivore diet doesn't mean you should forget about exercise. Staying active is crucial for maintaining overall health and enhancing the benefits of your diet. Here's how you can keep moving. Regular exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This could be anything from brisk walking to cycling or swimming. Strength training. Incorporate strength training exercises 2 to 3 times a week to build and maintain muscle mass, which can be beneficial on a high-protein diet. Flexibility and balance. Engage in flexibility exercises like yoga or Pilates, which can improve your core strength, balance, and overall fitness. By integrating regular physical activity into your routine, you'll not only complement your carnivore diet, but also boost your energy levels and overall well-being. Embarking on the carnivore diet can feel like a big step, but you don't have to do it alone. Connecting with others who are on the same journey can provide invaluable support and motivation. Here's how to get connected. Online forums and groups. Join online communities and forums where people share their experiences and tips about the carnivore diet. Places like Reddit, Facebook groups, or specific diet forums are great places to start. Local meetups. Check if there are local meetup groups or clubs that focus on the carnivore diet. Meeting up with others can help share experiences and even sample new recipes. Dietary conferences and workshops. Look for workshops, talks, or conferences about the carnivore diet. These events can be excellent opportunities to learn from experts and meet enthusiasts who share your dietary choices. These connections can make your dietary transition smoother, offering a platform for sharing, encouragement, and new friendships. Starting the carnivore diet can sometimes mean you might miss out on certain nutrients, especially if your food variety is limited. Supplements can play a crucial role in maintaining your health while you adapt to this diet. Here's what to consider. Vitamin D. If you don't get enough sunlight or consume fatty fish regularly, a vitamin D supplement is essential to help maintain bone health and immune function. Omega-3s. These are vital for brain health and reducing inflammation. If you eat little to no fish, consider omega-3 supplements like fish oil or krill oil. Multivitamins. While not always necessary, a multivitamin can act as a safety net to cover any potential gaps in your diet, particularly for vitamins A, E, and K2. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any supplement regimen, as they can help tailor suggestions based on your specific health needs. Last but not least, when you start the carnivore diet, it's crucial to stay in tune with your body's signals. Not everyone reacts the same way to such a specific diet, so it's important to listen to what your body tells you and adjust accordingly. Here's how you can make sure you're staying responsive to your body's needs. Track symptoms. Keep note of any new changes you experience, whether it's increased energy, digestive issues, or changes in sleep patterns. Adjust as needed. If you notice negative responses, such as fatigue or digestive discomfort, consider adjusting your meat selections or meal timing. Sometimes small tweaks can make a big difference. Consult professionals. If persistent issues arise, don't hesitate to consult with a dietitian or doctor. They can provide guidance tailored to your health needs and help you make informed adjustments. Remember, the goal is to find a version of the diet that feels good and sustainable for you. It's all about balancing the diet to suit your individual health needs and lifestyle. That wraps up our 8 powerful tips for women starting the carnivore diet, from limiting dairy to keeping your meals simple, and from tracking your progress to staying active. We've covered the essentials to get you going. Remember, it's crucial to listen to your body, monitor your health closely, and maybe even consider some supplements. Don't forget to connect with others on the same journey for support and tips. If you enjoyed this video and found the tips helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video to keep you thriving on your new dietary adventure.